How to fix can't download Among Us game problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't download Among Us game problem. Okay, so guys, if you are trying to download Among Us game from the Play Store and if you are unable to install it, if you are unable to download it from there, then simply watch this video. Okay, I'm going to show you the solution as well. I'm going to show you the trick as well. Okay, so after that you can easily download the Among Us game. So let's begin the tutorial. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. Okay, so now what you have to do here is, if you are unable to download, then guys, make sure that your this one Play Store, okay, should be updated. So go to setting and make sure to update your Play Store. So to update, you just have to click here, and then guys, if there is any new update version available, so by one tap you can update it from here. Okay, update your Play Store, go to setting. Okay, go to setting, scroll it down, go to application and permission, go to app manager. So here you may find app manager, manage app or installed app, and after that you need to find out your Google Play Store. Okay, scroll it down, find out your Google Play Store. And guys, if you cannot find a Google Play Store out here, so click on three dots at the top right corner, click on show system, okay, or show all apps. After that you will get. So now go to Google Play Store. So first you have to go to Play Store, and then guys, first of the app, click OK, go to internal storage, click on clear data, and then you need to clear up all the data from your Google Play Store, and then tap OK. Otherwise your data will not clear. Okay, so you have to clear the data, and then go to permission setting, allow the permissions from here. Okay, allow all the permissions, and after allowing all the permissions, go to Google Play Service and follow the same process. First of the app, click OK, go to internal storage, click on clear data, and then click on clear all data, and then click OK. So now you have to go back. Okay, so there are some permissions, so which you need to allow it. So go to permissions, and then guys, you have to allow all the permissions. Okay, just allow all the permissions here. Okay, you need to give some time to enable the permission, because there are lots of permission, and after that reset your, restart your phone. Okay, restart your phone, and then guys, check your network connections. After that, go back to Play Store, your problem will be solved. That's it. Okay, so this is how you have to fix it. But by any chance, after that, if your problem is not fixing after doing all the solution, then make sure to update your phone software. Okay, so just go to setting, you can go to about phone, or you can just update your system from here. Okay, so update your phone software, and this will definitely fix the issue. So guys, as I was talking about the trick, okay, what is the trick to download the Among Us? So you have to click on your Google. Okay, open up your Google, Among Us. Okay, Among Us APK download. Okay, APK download from Google. Okay, you can download it from the Google, from apkpr.com. Okay, from this website also mod unlock any kind of problem. So there are many websites, so from there you can also download the app. Okay, that's it. So this is how you have to use the trick, and this is how you have to solve the problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.